Hello and welcome. It's so nice to have you here. My name is Lovely. Today, I want to talk about something small but very powerful. I want to talk about questions. Simple questions. Why is the sky blue? How does this work? Where can I find this? Asking questions is a beautiful thing. It opens new worlds. If you stay until the end, I will share a simple idea for you to try. So let's think about this. A question is like a key. It is a small tool, but it can open big, closed doors. When we are children, we ask many questions. We see everything as new and interesting. But sometimes, when we grow older, we ask fewer questions. Maybe we feel shy. Maybe we think our question is not important. But this is not true. Every question is important. Every question has value. Think about learning English. It is a perfect example. You listen to this podcast, you are learning new words. Maybe sometimes you hear a word you do not know. You have two choices. Choice 1, you can ignore the word. You can continue listening. Choice 2, you can ask a question. You can think, what does that word mean? That simple question, that moment of curiosity, changes everything. It opens a door. Now you can look for the answer. You can ask a teacher or check a dictionary. You learn one new word, and that new word helps you understand the next sentence and the next conversation. One question makes your world of English a little bigger, a little brighter. Questions help us connect with people too. Imagine you are in a new place. You feel a little alone. You can ask a simple question. Hello, how are you? Or, can you help me, please? This question is like a bridge. It builds a connection between you and another person. It starts a conversation. It can turn a stranger into a friend. Your question opens the door to friendship. It opens the door to help and to kindness. But why do we sometimes stop asking questions? Often it is because of fear. We fear looking silly. We fear not knowing the answer. This feeling is normal. Everyone feels this sometimes. But remember, there are no silly questions. Every person who knows something once did not know it. They asked a question, they learned. You can do this too. Your curiosity, your wish to know more, is a strength. It is not a weakness. It is a sign of a smart and growing mind. So, how can we ask more questions? It starts with being curious. Look at the world around you. Look at it like a child again. See the small, interesting things. The food you eat, how is it made? The machine you use, how does it work? The person you see, what is their story? Let yourself wonder. Let yourself think, how or why? This feeling of wonder is the beginning. Then make your questions simple. Use simple words, just like we use here. A good question does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be asked. And let me say that again, because it is very important. A good question does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be asked. Asking questions opens new worlds. It opens the world of knowledge. It opens the world of friendship. It opens the world of new experiences. One small question is the first step on a big, beautiful journey. So here is my idea for you, your small action for today. Today, allow yourself to ask one question, just one. It can be a question to yourself, like, what is the English word for this object in my hand? It can be a question to someone else, like, could you repeat that, please? Be brave, be curious, use your key, open one new door. Thank you for listening with your curious mind. Keep asking questions, keep learning. You are doing something wonderful. I believe in you, and I'm so happy we could share this time together. Goodbye for now.